Hello, good people of the internet. I hope you're all doing well and are ready to dive into the fascinating world of local AI models. Today, we're going to explore how to run Claude Code with a graphical interface using local models, completely free. Claude is exceptional at coding and analysis, but let's face it, the subscription pricing can be steep. Or maybe you're just a curious mind eager to experiment with new things like running Claude Code's GUI with local models. Either way, let's get started. In my previous video, I showed you how to run Claude Code CLI locally using Ollama models. Today, we'll build on that foundation and set up the graphical version. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll leave the link in the I button and in the description below. I recommend watching it first, then coming back here to follow along. Now let's go over the checklist. First, you'll need a computer with CUDA support. For this demonstration, I'm using an RTX 4070 with 12 gigabytes of VRAM. Make sure CUDA is installed and ready to go on your system. Open a terminal and type nvcc version. If you see a version number, you're good. If not, head over to the NVIDIA developer website to download and install it. Next, you'll need to install Claude Code CLI and Ollama. Here's how. For Linux, use this command to install Ollama. And for Windows, use this one. Once installed, verify Ollama is running by checking this URL in your browser. Then, install the Claude Code CLI version. The commands for both Windows and Linux will be provided below. After that, download a suitable model from Ollama. In my case, I'm using Qwen 3.5 with 9 billion parameters. Run Ollama run Qwen 3.5:9b. It will download and launch the model. Type something to confirm it responds correctly. You'll also need to increase the context window of your model and create a new one with a larger context window. We will name it Qwen 3.5-Arch. Remember this name. Again, this process is covered in my previous video. Alright, the hard part is done. Now download and install Visual Studio Code for your operating system. Visit their official website and follow the installation instructions specific to your device. Once installed, go to the extension section and search for Claude Code. Install the extension. When you try to run it, you'll notice a subscription window appears. This is exactly what we're going to bypass today and use our own Ollama model. First, open Visual Studio Code and navigate to Settings. Go to the extension section and find Claude Code. Scroll down and enable Disable Login Prompt. Next, click on Edit in settings.json and add the following lines. Just make sure your model name matches exactly. Now open your terminal and edit the Claude environment settings by adding these lines. I'm doing this on my Linux system, but the process is similar across platforms. Once you're done, restart VS Code and when you open Claude again, you'll see the magic happen. Claude is now running with a full graphical interface and everything works seamlessly. Go ahead and give it a task. It will leverage your local Ollama models to get the job done. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Let me know how it went and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-related tutorials. Until next time, goodbye.